Una natin topic mga kaibigan habang kumakain tayo. Mpox. Most cases infected through sex. Ito ay article ng Inquirer.net. Oh, ang gandang topic no? Health experts are urging Filipinos to avoid having sexual encounters with multiple partners as monkeypox or mpox cases continue to rise, with 6 out of the 8 active cases admitting they contracted the viral disease through this intimate engagement. So, sabi ng mga health experts dito sa Pilipinas ay wag muna kayo makipag-sex. Wag muna kayo magpa-Robin Padilla, okay? So para maging YouTube friendly ang ating talakayan, pag may nabanggit na 3-letter word na yon, ang sasabihin natin ay Robin Padilla. Okay? Social distancing in public places, however, is not recommended as authorities maintain that Mpox virus is not airborne unlike COVID-19. So, hindi na need mga kaibigan ng social distancing dahil dahil ang Mpox is skin to skin contact dapat ang kailangan. At hindi siya katulad ng COVID-19 na maaaring mapasa ng pag umatsyong ka, ganon. The Department of Health or DOH on Sunday reported 3 more patients of Mpox in the country, bringing to 17 the total number of cases since 2022. So, nadagdagan ng 8 ang ating cases ngayong taon. So, 17 na po yung nagkakaroon ng Mpox sa Pilipinas. Since 2022 pa to similar to all the 14 previous cases, the 3 newest patients have the milder clade 2 of the monkeypox virus and not the deadlier clades 1A and 1B, which are causing the upsurge of cases in Africa. So, yung nandito sa Pilipinas sa monkeypox virus is hindi yung deadly variant. Pero syempre, mag-iingat pa rin kasi malay mo may pumasok dito, di ba? Yun ang problema. Dapat mag-iingat tayo lagi, hindi tayo The country currently has 8 active cases, all of which were recorded in the past 2 weeks. So, yung 8 na yun, this 2 weeks lang or 3 weeks na rin yung naging kaso o yung nadagdagan. So, ito ang sabi ng DOH, ito ang report ng DOH, cases 15 and 16 had anonymous sexual encounters with more than one partner, while case 17 had close skin-to-skin sexual contact with another person who had skin symptoms. So, kailangan talaga dikit na dikit sa ating balat ang yung merong may Mpox para mahawa tayo. Pero hindi ko naman sasabing magdidikit tayong lahat at magro-Robin Padilla tayong lahat para magkaroon ng monkeypox na di ba? Ayaw natin ng gano'n, syempre. All of them have had no travel history 21 days before the start of their symptoms. So, more on this is a, ano tawag sa kaso na yun? Shit, nakalimutan ko. Parang close case siya, parang ganun. Nakalimutan ko yung word Mamaya na, sige, maalala natin yan. Mpox case 15 is a 25-year-old male from the National Capital Region or NCR whose symptoms started August 21. He had rashes on his upper lip, so rashes dito, arm, and anal area. So baka hindi po yan ano tawag dito? Ano sakit yun sa puwet? Hemorrhoids yun. Hindi hemorrhoids yun He also had swollen neck, lymph nodes, sore throat, muscle pain, and weakness. Kahinaan yun. A day later, he started having a fever. So, August 21, may mga ilang simptomas. August 22, nilagnat. Ito sabi ng DOH, he disclosed that before symptom onset, he had anonymous sexual encounter. So, meron siyang Robin Padilla on incognito mode. He had rashes and blisters over his arms, genital and anal areas. He also had a cough, fatigue, and swollen lymph nodes in his groin area. area. Yun. Ito pa uli sabi ng DOH, he disclosed that before symptoms started, he did have Robin Padilla contact with 3 partners. So, ang daing maaring nahawa nitong lalaki na ito. So, wag po tayo mag-alter muna. Charis! Meanwhile, Mpox K17 is a 29-year-old from Calabarzon who started having fever on August 19. So, nilagnat muna siya. He eventually developed rashes or vesicles on his face, thorax, arms, legs, and soles. He also had headache, muscle pain, and swollen neck lymph nodes. Ito uli sabi ng DOH. He had close intimate contact with one Robin Padilla partner who may have had the same skin symptoms. So, ito sabi naman ni Health Secretary Teodoro Herbosa, better and wider risk communication is working, and so is improved access to consultation and testing. Anyone can get Mpox, but it is crystal clear that the mode of transmission here is close, intimate, and skin-to-skin contact. So, kailangan talaga maaring halikan, maaring siksikan sa jeep, maaring Robin Padilla, yung maaring contact para magkaroon ka nito. So, ano nga ba yung maaari natin gawin para maiwasan to? Ito sabi ni Herbosa, prevention is also clear. Avoid intimate contact, especially anonymous ones with multiple sexual partners. So, mag-ingat po. Ay, mag-ingat tuloy. Wag muna tayong makipag-Robin Padilla sa alam natin na maraming naka-Robin Padilla. According to DOH spokesperson Assistant Secretary Albert Domingo, the agency does not see the need to implement social distancing in public places, which was implemented during the height of COVID-19 pandemic. So, hindi naman daw kailangan na magkaroon ng social distancing. So, ito yung sinasabi nga natin kanina, kissing or even touching cheeks as greetings should also be avoided. So, kamayan lang muna. While riding in overcrowded public transportation is inevitable, infectious disease expert Dr. Arthur Desi Roman, ano ba? Nabubulol tuloy ako dahil sa pita. While riding in overcrowded public transportation is inevitable, infectious disease expert Dr. Arthur Desi Roman of the Research Institute for Tropical Medicine maintained that such activity has relatively lower risk of contracting Mpox. So, mali pala ako kanina. Na ang pagsisiksikan sa jeep ay lower risk lang naman, pero maaari pa rin. Okay? So, ayan. Also, at lower risk were attending concerts and festivals with fully clothed attendees going to groceries and airports and swimming in pools and bodies of water. So, kailangan talaga intimate yung contact para mahawa ng Mpox. So, mag-ingat po tayo mga kaibigan. So, ano masasabi niyo dyan sa most cases daw ng Mpox ay galing sa pakipag Robin Padilla? Comment down below.